Once more, with feeling, counselor. I am not framing Silas for trying to kill his wife. I didn't inject that woman with any drug, and I did not send Detective West a copy of her will, okay? Okay, so now that I've answered your questions again, you may go.
I didn't come here about Silas. I came here to see your brother.
Your mother? You're here to see Julian. I thought you couldn't stand the sight of him. What happened? Did Valentine's Day rear its ugly head and you realized you're all alone? So you're glomming onto the only man who's even remotely interested in you?
You know, with people skills like yours, it's a wonder you didn't choose a career in public relations.
Are you done?
That depends. Is your brother here?
Why on earth would you want to see Julian?
Because I'm concerned about him after his encounter with his son.
Lucas? Well, I thought he was yet another person who ran screaming from Julian.
Boy, Julian wasn't kidding when he said things weren't good between the two of you. So I take it he didn't tell you about his run-in with Lucas.
What happened?
Lucas told Julian he was gay.
Well, I'm sure that went over real well with my bigoted brother.
Well, Julian does have some antiquated views about sexual orientation.
And tell me about it. I've heard him expound on that topic. I've never been able to talk any sense into him.
Well, I tried. And I think he may have heard me, which is why I came by. I wanted to see if he took my advice.
Excuse me. I have to take this. Morgan, hi.
Hi.
My dad told me about your talk. Are you gonna have something soon to prove to him? You ready to take down Julian?
I'm working on it right now.
I hope so.
I really want to celebrate getting back together with you tonight, on Valentine's Day. I can't wait to be with you again, Ava.
I feel the same way. I've missed your arms around me.
You know, I didn't get that email at all. My smartphone isn't being very smart. Hey, you know what? I'm looking at a computer right now. Let me see if I can get it on here.
Hey! What the hell are you doing?
Relax, will you? I was checking my email. Honestly, I don't care enough about you to hack into your computer.
I find that hard to believe. See, this isn't my computer, it's Julian's. He's downloading some files, and I know he wouldn't want you messing with it.
Do you mind if...
Check your email someplace else, will you? I'm busy.
Okay. Would you at least tell me where your brother is?
I heard him on the phone with the hospital. He's trying to get some information about Carly.
Thanks for the tip. It's a pleasure.
As always. Ciao.
Alexis.
Here you are. I'm glad I found you. I wanted to see if you were able to smooth things over with Lucas.
Yes, actually, I think I may even have a chance to have a relationship with my son. And, I owe that all to you. How did you know how to find me here?
I went to your sister's. Actually, Ava and I had a little bit of a run-in.
No good deed goes unpunished. What's Ava's problem today?
A little bit of a work issue, so I needed your computer. I didn't think you'd mind, and she went ballistic and said you were downloading files and that you'd be furious if I messed it up.
She said that, huh? I wasn't downloading any files.